Multipro launches world's first smart cotton carding machine. It is smart because this machine has so many new features which you cannot avail anywhere in the market. Every machinery manufacturers in current market are using wooden roller which break down during operation due to high wear and tear. Whereas very first time in the market, Multipro gives hardened metal roller which you can use for so many years without any damage and maintenance. Now I am going to present you extraordinary and main feature which is extra sharpened carding bias. Due to this, machine can open maximum cotton in single pass. If you are unaware, then I wish to let you know that most similar machineries available in the market are not equipped with balanced carding roller. Due to this, you cannot operate machine smoothly and machine becomes unstable after usage of some days. Now, let's see working video of the machine. As you can see, operator puts raw cotton on conveyor belt. After switching on the machine and releasing the clutch, conveyor belt starts running. Now very nicely opened and fluffy cotton is coming out from the machine. This machine is equipped with clutch operated feeding mechanism, so that during operation, you can start and stop conveyor belt very easily. And spring operated feeding flow controller is also provided to ease off feeding of any type of cotton. With all that, you can get 1 year hassle-free warranty, 24/7 after-sales support and wide coverage of logistic network of Multipro. So, what are you waiting for? To order this high-tech machine, call us on 72020219999 or email us at sales@multipromachines.com. You can also visit our website www.multipromachines.com. Thank you.